Hello, my name is Scott Sinclair. I'm a practice director here at the Enterprise Strategy Group, and I'm incredibly excited today to welcome our newest colleague, newest team member to the analyst team, the infrastructure, cloud, and DevOps team here at the Enterprise Strategy Group, John Brown. John, welcome.
It's my pleasure to be here.
For anyone watching this, why don't you walk us through, what are you going to be covering?
So I'm covering two areas. I'm covering IT operations, which is broad and undergoing lots of change. So looking at observability, ITSM, IT asset management, financial operations management, things going on inside the data center. And then I'm also looking at sustainability. So looking at environmental, social, and governance as it pertains to IT and how it's impacting IT.
When you think about IT operations and you think about sustainability together, what we've seen over the past few years is the impact of digital services and IT initiatives and cloud and everything on all facets of business. And now that's permeating aspects of, how do we think about operations? How do we manage assets? How do we better optimize our applications within these infrastructure environments? And how do we ensure that it's sustainable from a power standpoint? Well, let's get a little bit more into you. Why ESG? Why did you choose to come here?
I've been a fan of ESG for probably the last 15 years. I did work with TechTarget's parent company, TechTarget. And one of the things I did get to see was the incredible quality that the ESG materials had, the expertise and the differentiation that the analysts had, and then just generally how our audience, how the TechTarget audience just really gravitated towards the ESG content because it was sufficiently different. I got the opportunity to join the company and I took it first chance I got.
Well, it's great to hear. I think I'm blushing a little bit. I'm not used to, hearing all these accolades, but you're covering a lot of really hot, interesting areas. Any interesting trends, any big things that you're interested in watching over the next year?
I guess the answer is, well, how much time have you got, right? Because I'm going to be studying all of these things all year. But I am looking at, changes that are happening in FinOps in particular, and looking at how organizations are managing their CapEx and their OpEx differently using FinOps. I am looking at how asset management is growing and looking at how sustainability and operations are driving changes to the asset management landscape and adding importance there. The explosion of observability and both the availability of that data and managing and interpreting that data, applying AI to it and implementing AI ops, all really big areas of change. All areas that I'm going to be conducting research with and all areas that I'll be working with vendors with, looking at IT operations, the changes there, and really putting some new data out so that everybody knows more about those topics.
Well, it's definitely exciting topics, a lot of exciting trends, a lot of exciting technologies. And for those of you watching, if you want to get a briefing set up with John, please reach out to ESG and we can get that set up and we can talk about all the things we're seeing in terms of observability, operations, FinOps, sustainability, AI ops, all these big trends that we've already been looking at with our research. John, thank you so much for your time. And for those of you watching, thanks for watching and have a great day.